Hello everybody. I'm happy to see everyone. Just a quick video today. Actually guys, I wonder about your opinion. What do you think about the situation with the kid and the zoo and the gorilla? I see a lot of posts on social media and some people are totally mad about that, gorilla had to die. Some people have another opinion. So what do you guys think? Here's my son taking his bike rides, doing really good. So of course, I just want to say I am 100% on the side of the zoo, and I will.
Shot the gorilla because they thought he was trying to kill him.
Well,
and he was also a lot more pounds than
thank you, buddy. So the reason why is that it's unpredictable. Even if there is 1% or 0.5% of a chance for that boy being injured or killed, it doesn't worth to take those chances. Especially guys, if any of you are a parent, you know exactly how that feels when your innocent little child is in the hands of a in some kind of danger. And we're not gonna talk about whose fault it is. It's a whole different story. In that moment an important decision needed to be taken. If that decision wasn't taken, that kid might have not been alive. Because when someone who is 400 pounds wanna play with you or just being around you, they can break you, they can kill you without meaning that. And it's hard to say, he might have been okay, but you do not take chances when there is a human being alive. When there is a life of a human being, you do not take chances. I don't care whether this animal is endangered, if it's a one on the planet, if it's a king of animals. Because when we have a choice between the human and an animal, we choose human. And these people who are like animal activists, everything they do is based on hate. It's based on hate. They love animals, but they hate humanity. So that's a whole different story about them. But I'm just saying that, don't you think that people who are in the zoo, how hard that decision was made? If it's their pet that they love, that... Ruslan, can I please talk? Thank you. You can say your opinion in the end. So you think it was hard for them? It was a very, very painful decision for people who own the zoo, and they did the right thing, because in any second that kid might have died. And imagine now that would happen. What would happen to the zoo if the child would actually die? Just think about that. What would happen to the zoo? How devastated his parents would be. I mean, it would be a real tragedy. So don't want to rant too much. Just think that we need to a little bit calm down about this whole thing, about saying how rare that animal is. And there was a human being, there was a helpless kid. Maybe the security wasn't good, so maybe his parents were not watching him. It doesn't matter. What matters is he stayed alive. That is what mattered. So with that being said, guys, thank you, and please feel free to share what you think. Thanks.